Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and making a new project. Import every clip you plan to link. Once imported, scan each clip for resolution and frame rate. Matching these avoids jumps. Then drag clips into the timeline in the order you want, snapping them to the playhead so there are no gaps. Make sure to trim rough edges first, because clean in and out points make linking smoother and reduce visible stutter when you join clips. Now you refine each transition. Use split or trim to set exact in and out points where action or audio match. Zoom the timeline to 1/4 or 1/10 second increments to align beats and motion precisely. This gives visual continuity. Enable snapping so clips lock together without micro gaps. If audio continuity matters, nudge clips by single frames until the waveform lines up. These steps make the link feel seamless because motion and sound carry through the cut. Finish by adding transitions only where they enhance flow. Drag a crossfade or custom transition between clips and adjust duration. Once done, render a preview and watch at full speed to catch any stutter or jumpiness. If you see issues, make sure all clips share the same frame rate and codec. Re-encode problem clips if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if links still glitch, export a short test clip at the project settings, because mismatched source settings usually cause visible artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.